Hi, today we are discussing about extreme programming and Agile process model. Agile process model is the one of the software development life cycle model like iterative model. It follows extreme programming principles. First, what is mean by extreme programming? Extreme programming is an agile software development framework that aims to produce high quality software and higher quality of life for the development team. Extreme programming is an agile software development framework. Agile software development contains different frameworks. So extreme is the one of the framework. It produces two things. One is higher quality software and higher quality of life for the development team. XP is the most specific of the Agile framework, recording appropriate engineering practices for the software development. So, in software development, by using of Agile extreme programming principles, we can run any type of softwares. We can run and implement any type of softwares. Coming to the extreme programming principles, first one is rapid feedback. Team members understand the given feedback and react to it right way. Rapid feedback. So in extreme programming, customer is involved each and every phase. In software development, customer is involved each and every phase. They give the feedback. They give the feedback of each and every phase. Developer take the feedback. Based on the feedback, they run the project in the right way. Incremental changes. Small changes made to a product step by step work better than the big ones made at once. So in extreme programming, incremental changes are allowed incrementally. So step by step. So we can change the product in step by step. It reduces the risk. It reduces the risk and project is run in right way. Communication. Everyone on a team works jointly at every stage of the project. Everyone means team members and customers. Both are work jointly. Embracing changes. If a client think a product need to be changed, programmer should support this decision and plan how to implement new requirements. So development team allow the changes at any stage based on the customer feedback. Programmer should support this customer decision and plan how to implement new requirements and how to update new changes. Quality work. A team that works well makes a valuable product and feels proud of it. Agile process model. So Agile means shift or versatile. Agile means shift or versatile. So it is worked in all areas and it is also shifted for based on the customer feedback. Agile process model refer to a software development approach based on the iterative development. It run based on the iterative model. Agile method breaks task into smaller iterations. Entire task is divided into smaller iterations. Each iteration is considered as a short time frame in the Agile process model. So each and every iteration is run on a particular time period. So we can assign the time for each and every iteration. Each and every iteration is executed under the time period. The division of the entire project into smaller parts help to minimize the project risk and to produce the overall project delivery time requirements. So we can divide the work into smaller parts. So process each and every part individually, so we can minimize the risk and project is run in the correct way on time. This is the block diagram of Agile process model. So Agile process model is run based on the iterative model. So all the SDLC life cycle pages are run in Agile process model. But the main difference between other process model to Agile process model, in each and every page we take the feedback from the customer. Based on the feedback, development team can run the project. Development team can run the project based on the customer feedback. Pages of Agile model: requirements gathering, design the requirements, construction, testing, deployment, feedback. Requirements gathering. So requirements gathering means identify the requirements, resources of the project that are gathered on the requirement page. Software requirements, hardware requirements, functional requirements, non-functional requirements. All the requirements are gathered in the first phase, that is requirement page. Design the requirements. Design the requirements means whatever the requirements are gathered, that are verified by the customer give the feedback, and they are design the new requirements. They are design the new requirements. Third stage is construction. Third stage is construction. So construction means implementation. Construction means implementation. All design things are converted to the code. That is programs. So in the construction phase we are implement the programs. All programs are together called as a software. Next one is testing. Testing is the process of verification and validation of a code. In the testing phase, verify the code. In the testing phase, verify the code using of different testing methods. There are manual testing methods are there and automation testing methods are there. By using testing methods, test the code. Next one is deployment. Deployment is the process of whatever the project is implemented in the development team, that project is installed on the client environment. That process is called as a deployment. Feedback. So Agile process model run with customer feedback. Run with customer feedback. So if any changes are there, development team take the changes. Based on the changes, they are run the project. Advantages of Agile method: frequently delivered, face-to-face communication with clients. Face-to-face communication with clients. So customer or clients are involved each and every page. We can provide face-to-face communication. Efficient design and fulfills the business requirements. Efficient design, Agile process model, design the product in efficient manner and fulfill all the business requirement. Fulfill all the business requirement. Anytime changes are acceptable. Anytime changes are acceptable. So in the software development pages, any page changes are accepted in the Agile method. It reduces the total development time. Reduces the total development time. Next, coming to the disadvantages of Agile model. Due to the storage of formal documents, it creates confusion. It creates confusion. Due to the shortage of formal documents, it creates confusion. Due to the lack of proper documentation, once the project is complete and the developer allotted another project. To another project. Maintenance of the finished project can become a difficult. So we produce shortage of a document in the Agile model. They create confusion. At the same time, in the maintenance is difficult in the